Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you what to do if you have been banned from the Monkey app. Stick around because I have got the steps you need to follow. First, I will open my browser and head to the Monkey app website. As you can see, my account has been banned. Now, here's an important thing to know. There is no official way to get unbanned for free. If you want to try and get your original account back, you will have to pay. If you have money, then you can pay $5 and get unbanned instantly. So if you don't have money, then submit an appeal through their support system. But that can take time. So while you are waiting for that appeal to be reviewed, here is how you can create a new account to use in the meantime. Open up your browser history and find the option to clear your browsing data. Make sure you set the time range to all time and select all boxes. Then click delete data. Once that's done, completely close your browser and restart it. This helps make sure the app doesn't remember your old account. Now, just go back to the Monkey app website. Now click sign in and choose to connect to Google. Here's the important part. You will need to create a brand new Gmail account to sign in with. And that's it. Once you have signed in with that new account, you are all set. You can use Monkey app again while you wait for your appeal on your main account. I hope this quick guide helped you out. If it did, be sure to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.